Container Malta, Madeira, Cyprus versus Spanish flag. Hola, buenos dias. A lot of ship owners are really scary about the bureaucracy, the fines, the inquisition of the Spanish maritime administration, also the employment administration, and also the social security, and also the endorsement, and also the medical examinations, and also the, yes, indeed, the payroll system under Spanish labor legislation is like a logarithm that you need to do 5 years university degree of administration and management, plus also masters, and then a doctor's degree. And then after that, they will change the law every moment because they feel that there is 5 million government workers that they need something to do to occupy these 50,000 government buildings. So why not change this income tax from 3 kids to 4 kids, from 37% to 35%, and so on. Therefore, indeed, it is really a logarithm, and you need to have a partner to defend the Spanish flag and the Spanish crew, which is the most important competitive advantage of the Spanish flag. While a container ship 13 crew is 700,000 euros per year, the full Spanish crew, 50% except captain and chief officer can be non-European, so let's say about 5-ish. So we can have the same wage scales as with the Filipinos, with the non-Europeans, these 5. And the rating is much easier to get the working permits and also the medical examinations. And if we have a fleet of, let's say, 50 ships, it's very feasible to have the crew roster under these same host cabotage rules, because you are complying data protection, you're complying the quality, you're complying many issues that indeed today other flags do not comply. Also, the advantage of the Madeira, the Cyprus, and the Malta flags is that you really don't have to comply at all with all these bureaucrats. And out of 700,000 euros, we will be talking about $700,000 approx, or $750,000. So there is a 5% gap between the one flag and the other flag. What is the advantage of the Spanish flag? Is the travel. Nowadays, the travel is becoming more and more expensive. This is because of the Iran war. Then it will be because inflation. Then it will be because the cost of living in Spain is going to grow, and the agents and the flights and so on. And then it will be because the exchange and visa regulation now is more complicated. You need to fill in every seafarer when they join Europe, and then when they depart. If they forget about departing registering, then they cannot return to Europe. So it looks like Europe is becoming more modern regarding who enters must leave, and not like it was now that everybody was entering, and then suddenly in Spain we have 50 million inhabitants. And but this is a huge competitive advantage, because also for the Spanish flag there will be around 500,000 more citizens now, which, let's say, 4,000 will be seafarers. So let's say for a fleet of about 200, 300 general cargo ships, container ships, we could really manage those ratings. So please think positive and contact us, because there is many reasons why you should think about starting this budget and the logistics, because the host conditions are not what they look like. Thank you. Bye.